Will guide you through how to change Photoshop canvas size. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image or project you want to edit. Then allow the document and layers to appear on the canvas. Click Image on the top menu to view the commands that control the document's dimensions and appearance. Select Canvas Size to change the area surrounding the existing image without directly resizing its contents. Check the existing width and height so you understand the canvas dimensions before making changes. Choose the measurement unit you want to use, such as pixels, inches, centimeters, or another option that suits your project. Enter a new value in the width field, making it larger to add horizontal space or smaller to remove space from the sides. Enter a new value in the height field, increasing it to add vertical space or decreasing it to remove space from the top or bottom. Use the anchor grid to decide where the existing image will remain while the canvas expands or shrinks. For example, keeping the center anchor selected distributes the change evenly around the document. Choose a canvas extension color if that option is available, selecting a color that works with the design or leaving the default when the added area will be edited later. Review the displayed canvas dimensions and confirm that the new width, height, units, and anchor position match your intended result. Click OK to apply the settings and close the canvas size window. Examine the resized canvas, checking where space was added or removed, and making sure no important artwork was accidentally cut off. When the new canvas looks correct, save the Photoshop project as a PSD file so the resized document, layers, and editable elements are preserved.